Let's learn about photosynthesis today. Do you know how does photosynthesis occur and what is its role in maintaining the balance of gases in the atmosphere? Actually, the photosynthesis is a chemical process that plants use to create glucose from sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. You will love to know that photosynthesis takes place in leaves, within specialized structures called chloroplasts. And inside chloroplasts are chlorophyll, green photosynthetic pigment whose job is to absorb sunlight. Think about, do you think the rate of photosynthesis in a variegated leaf, as shown here, is as effective as it would be if it were entirely green? Talking about reactants, so the reactants of photosynthesis are carbon dioxide and water. And its products are oxygen and glucose. For your knowledge, chlorophyll and sunlight are neither reactants nor products. They are not used up or created in the process. Given all the information, can you write a word equation for photosynthesis? Take your time and have a look at this carefully. Photosynthesis is a process that allows energy, in a usable form, to be taken in on Earth. Remember, without photosynthesis, there would be no primary source of energy for many life forms on Earth. The current balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is maintained by photosynthesis and respiration. Do you know what happens to this delicate balance if we continue cutting down trees? How might changing atmospheric carbon dioxide levels affect the rate of photosynthesis?